In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a PayPal invoice link in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone who just wants to make their payment process a bit easier, mastering how to send an invoice through PayPal can be an invaluable skill. Let's jump straight into it. To start, you'll need to navigate to the PayPal website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account summary. The summary page gives you a general overview of your recent transactions and activities. It's always a good idea to review this page regularly to keep track of your financial activities. Now, on this page, you'll see an option to create an invoice. Click on that. Once you've clicked Create an Invoice, you'll be directed to a new page where you can fill in all the necessary details for your invoice. This is where you'll input information specific to both you and your client. Make sure to fill this out as comprehensively as possible. Clear invoices lead to quicker payments and fewer questions. As you're filling this out, keep in mind that the more detail you provide, such as a breakdown of services or goods provided, the more professional and comprehensive your invoice will appear. Next, enter the recipient's name and any notes that may be pertinent to this invoice. Adding personal touches or specific details about the transaction helps keep the process transparent and maintains a good relationship with your client. These notes might include a funny joke for your regular clients, a thank you for first-time customers, or any other important information you might need to convey. If there are any documents or additional files that need to accompany the invoice, such as contracts or work samples, you can attach them here. PayPal's interface makes it easy to upload and manage these files. Just click on the attachment section and you'll be able to drag and drop files or upload them directly from your computer. Remember, attaching any necessary documents at this stage is vital to preventing any further back and forth communication about the invoice's specifics. The final step is to send your invoice. Double-check all the fields to ensure all the information is correct and precise. When you're ready, click Send. PayPal will give you the option to share a link or send the invoice directly to the recipient's email. This simple click sends the invoice to your recipient, providing them with a seamless payment process. And there you have it. Creating and sending a PayPal invoice is straightforward once you know the steps. This process helps streamline your payments and provides clients and customers with an easy way to settle transactions. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you'll find this tutorial an excellent addition to your business toolkit.